Are you one of those who are confused about how to make videos like this? Or what's also known as Animal Fusion AI? In this video, I'll teach you step by step how to do it, so you need to stay focused until the end so you don't skip the exciting parts. You need two applications, one for taking pictures and another for editing. Here, I am using the Bing application, which can only be found in the Play Store. Aside from having good resolution, it is free to use and not limited. Just open the Bing app after signing in with your Gmail account. Once signed in, you can click on the image creator. Next, you need to think of a prompt for your image. For example, a terrifying monster, dragon polar bear fusion or mutation. You can also specify where the image is set, like in the dark forest, and make sure to add "make it realistic" to get a believable image. And then click on Create and wait for your image to generate. Oh wow, look how cool and realistic the image is. And then click on the image and just click the arrow to download the image. After that, we will create a second image, for example, an intense face-off between a dragon and a polar bear. Don't forget to specify the location again, like the dark forest earlier, and add "make it realistic" for a believable result. And then just click on Create again and wait for a moment to see the result of the prompt you made. Isn't it cool? After that, just download it again. You can repeat this process until you have enough images for the second step, which is editing. And wow, this is everything I have done and will do. The final step we will take is editing the image we created. Here I will use UCut because it's simple to use, but you can also use your own editing apps depending on your preference. After choosing the image you downloaded earlier, arrange it in the sequence of the images. Proceed directly to editing of the images. Afterwards, you can put background music that you like for a good result. Make sure that the transition of the images matches the rhythm of your background music to achieve a better result. After editing all the images, just save them, and you can easily turn them into Reels or YouTube Shorts. It's simple, right? And this is the result of the Animal Fusion we did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell to stay updated on the tutorials I will be doing.